Guys, we just got back from trick-or-treating and our grandpa called and asked if he could have the fridge that we're going to be replacing.
Yeah, so me and the girls are going to go down there and pull it out of the basement. We've got the Vermeer here. We're going to take a pallet and a dolly, and we're going to watch the girls try to get this thing out of the basement. I'm going to help them get it away from the cabinets, but then it's all theirs, so we'll see what happens. Okay, these refrigerators are on wheels, girls, so we'll just pull it away. Okay, actually, I think you girls can do that. Pull this away. Got the refrigerator emptied. Carol, now straight out, straight out. Don't hit that. Okay, keep going. Yep, looks like we're all good. All right, that's good. Down there. All right, so we got a power cord here. Which some of you tape the power cord on here. Okay. This is the power cord here. So just tape it like right here. There you go. I like it. Smooth it out. Good. Okay. Is this going to be okay? Why don't we hold this? Let's go ahead and take this like right here. I'll do this. Okay. That's like the automatic water feeder, but we can really use it on this one. You got it? Good. You press with your foot here, Addison. You slide it underneath. Okay. And then you're going to tilt that sucker back to you, okay? And Paige is going to stand on the other side and help just push the top up to lean it over you, okay? Does that make sense, Paige? All right, so put your dolly in. Nice. Okay, now put your brake on. Nice. Yeah. All right, and then tell Paige, okay, tilt it to me.
Okay.
Keep going, Paige. There you go.
Wait, how far?
Keep going, honey. Keep going, pull it to you.
I'm trying.
Pull it to you. Come on, Paige. Leave your. Okay. All right. Let's try. All right. Tilt it. There you go. Bring it all the way down to you. Don't fight her. Keep coming.
I know, but I'm bending backwards. I can't do that.
Now we can step backwards. Whenever we want to push through a door, we back through. Okay. Take it a little wide. You got a table next to you. Good. Hey, you got the door. Good. I like it. All right. Nice job, ladies. All right, Paige. Here. Watch the top, Addison. Okay. I'll be on this side.
Watch hold up a little bit.
Go ahead and nudge it to a little bit. Okay, good, good. All right. Okay, now set it down. Good job. Addison, you want to hook it on that side? Okay. Now we'll let the Vermeer do the rest of the work. Somebody want to drive it up? No? Paige, you want to try?
Sure.
More than 2 fingers, but I want you to just go easy. Thanks for watching our latest video. If you like what you see, please
Like.
Subscribe and turn on that post notification bell to get our next videos.
bye.